In this video, I'm going to show you the absolute receiver measurements with the FieldFox analyzers. I have a cable connected between my ports 1 and 2 that you can't see here, and this is the network analyzer mode, as you can see. And let's go ahead and change the frequency range to something, let's say 4 gigahertz max. And we can go ahead and go measure, advanced, and then here you have the absolute receivers A, B, R1, and R2. Since I have a through cable connected, I will try to measure B. And the source port, you want to be on port 1 because auto goes back and forth. And if I put a marker on there, I can see about minus 25 dBm. Now, these receivers have no calibration. You can see calibration is off, and we do not offer receiver calibration. You can, however, take advantage of trace, math and memory, and data to the memory, and data over memory to normalize this trace to 0. And then you can go ahead, for example, and change like the power level. We can go to, let's say, 16 dBm. And you get about minus a dB of change, or vary it and see the changes. If you're going to be using the the receivers, you want to make sure you set the source port. Also in system preferences, be sure to have the battery saver capability off. That's the second line here, because if it's on, the source turns itself on and off to save power. So the default is on. Turn it off, and if you set it once, it's saved forever. So that is the absolute receiver measurement capabilities of the FieldFox.